How to create a new line on WhatsApp web. In this video, I will show you how can you easily create a new line in your WhatsApp message without sending the message. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, open your WhatsApp application on your laptop or PC. You can even use it in Chrome. Now here I'm going to write a message, hello, and I want to change the line. So what I'll do is I'll write hello, how are you, and then click on shift and enter. Now as you can see, the message was not sent and the cursor went to the next line. Now you can write something else in the next line and your message will not be sent. Where are you and question mark, and again I will click shift and enter to go to the next line. So that is how easily you can change lines in WhatsApp web. It is very easy to change the line in WhatsApp mobile phone as well. All you need to do is go to settings and click on chats. When you click on it, you will see the option of enter is send. So as you can see, I have toggled off that option. That means when you click on the enter, the cursor will move down rather than sending the message to the user. So that's all. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.